Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to view a credit card number on the Apple Pay wallet app. You cannot view the full credit or debit card number in Apple Pay. Even Apple does not have access to this information, so your card is kept secure. However, if you have an Apple card, you can view a virtual card number that can be used for online purchases. This is different from the last four digits on your physical titanium card. Now, to access your card information, open the wallet app on your iPhone. Then scroll through your cards and tap the one you want to view. Here, you will see basic details such as your card name and last four digits. Next, tap the More button with the three dots in the top right corner. This opens the full settings for your card. Here, tap the card number icon, which looks like a small credit card. You will then need to authenticate using your iPhone passcode, Touch ID or Face ID. Once authenticate, you can see your virtual card number, expiration date and security code, which can be used for online payments. After that, if you want to check other card numbers, tap additional card numbers. This shows the last four digits of your Apple card or other cards linked to Apple Pay. Finally, remember that your virtual card number can be used just like a regular card for online transactions, while your physical cards remain secure. Using Apple Pay ensures that your financial information is protected, and you can manage all card details safely through the wallet app. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.